everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. It's just like my normal, not really because I don't always wear eyeshadow, so this is kind of like a more fancy get ready with me. But I didn't really use any colors that are bright or anything like that because I was thinking to do something pink, like a pink eye look in the start, but then I just changed my mind, so I decided to go for something more subtle and kind of a brown smoky eye look with a little bit of black pencil eyeliner. So I do normally use like a liquid eyeliner, but I watched this YouTuber recently and she created this look with like a really smoky sort of black shadow eyeliner, and I really liked it, so I thought I'll try it as well. And it kind of failed, I would say, because I don't do this a lot and the eyeshadow that I used wasn't the best, but I'm still really happy with the way it turned out. So I hope you guys will enjoy this look. It's nothing special. I try to use some different products than I usually do, just to kind of switch it up, and I hope you enjoy it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my videos if you want to see more. I'm actually going to film another video today, so yeah, thank you for being here, and let's get on and into the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with the Revolution Pro Pore Primer, and I'm just applying that all over my face. After that, I'm just grabbing my Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade Fair 1, and I'm just applying that all over my eyelids as a base for my eyeshadow. After that, I'm taking the Identity palette by Beauty Bay, and I'm using the first shade right there, which is for the base, just to sort of set everything in place and have a really nice base for my eyeshadow. So after that, I'm gonna grab like a pale orangey color, and I'm gonna put that into my crease with a fluffy brush. Once I've done that, I'm gonna grab a little bit of a darker brown color, and I'm gonna keep on building it on the crease to sort of darken it even more. Now I'm taking a very dark brown and getting that on a little bit of a more structured brush and putting that in the corners, making sure I blend it out to sort of create that cat eye look. Next, I'm gonna grab some of this peachy color and sort of apply it on top of all the colors to bring them all together and add a bit more warmth to the eyeshadow look. Now I'm just taking a highlight color, which is a really nice golden shimmer, and I'm just taking it with my finger and applying it on the eyelid, so that way it gives a bit of a nice pop of color and just makes it look a complete eyeshadow look. Now we're moving on to foundation, and for foundation I'm using the L'Oreal True Match in the color 2RC, I think? Yeah, 2R2C, something like that. And I'm just using a little brush to apply it onto my face evenly, and then I'm using my Real Techniques beauty blender sponge thing, and I'm just blending it all out throughout my face. Next, I'm taking the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer once again, and I'm just applying that a little bit under my eyes. Now I'm taking my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and I'm just applying that all over my face, especially focusing under the eyes and any areas that may get oily throughout the day. Next up, I decided to add a bit more of that dark brown color in my crease, as I felt it wasn't dark enough, and I'm just blending that out now. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of that orange again and brown and sort of apply some of that under my eyes to complete the look and sort of tie everything in together. I've also filled out my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm taking my Hoola by Benefit and sort of contouring and also bronzing my face with it. So I kind of put it on my cheekbones, my forehead, a little bit on my nose, and places like that really. Now I'm taking the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette, and I'm using the two shades, which is the peachy one and sort of like a pink one, and I'm mixing them together and applying that onto my cheeks, tiny bit on my forehead and a little bit on my nose as well to sort of give me the rosy look all over. Next, I am going to be taking the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter, and I'm just applying that in all of the areas that I want to highlight, such as my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, underneath my eyebrows, a little bit on my forehead as well. Next up, I'm taking a little small flat brush, and I'm taking some more of that very dark brown color, and I'm just applying that as an eyeshadow, not as an eyeshadow, sorry, as an eyeliner. And I haven't done this for many times, so it's not perfect, but I still like the smoky effect that it gave me, and I'm definitely going to keep practicing this because I know it's not perfect. Next up, I'm just applying my Tarte Man Eater mascara, and I'm just applying that all over my lashes, top and bottom. And now I'm just taking my Kiko little lip gloss and just applying that on my lips. And that is my look finished. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you liked it, and if you have any other video suggestions for me for the future. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in the future. Bye!